Okay, so we're gonna film this street. This is this is basically TONI&GUY Fung is down this way, and I'm gonna go down this way. So we're gonna go a slightly different way. But it's very photogenic, this spot right here. So I wanted to capture that first, and we're gonna try to see how much we can capture. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Space. That's interesting. So looks like we're gonna head into a little bit of shade here. So we'll see what we can see. And last night I was walking in this area with a good friend of mine. So there was quite a bit of activity in the evening. But we're gonna follow it and we'll see what we can see. Okay, so straight ahead. You have some layers. There's like an up part and a down part, and we're gonna walk to the mid levels. And let's just kind of see what we can see here. There's a pretty cool looking red and white building right there. I think I'm gonna be getting near it in a minute. That down there goes to the it overlooks the mid levels. Let's see if I can maybe take a look real quick. So we're gonna be back here in a second, and I'm just gonna take a look. It's pretty cool artwork. So that's where we're at just a little while ago, at that space. This whole space is TONI&GUY Fung, so at nighttime it's quite busy. And you can actually walk this way, which we might do. You can hear some jazz music somewhere. Look at how cool this building is. Dang. It keeps getting cooler and cooler as you get up. It's there's like all these little terraces that go all the way, so there's like balconies. That's amazing. Okay. So I think we're gonna follow this little path. And here's some you can hear my phone is because something else is on. How does the phone just how does it play when you don't want it to play? Okay. Indian restaurant right there. Oh. And this area is also connected to TONI&GUY Fung too, so they'll have like hookah bar kind of stuff up here. Havana. So you can definitely keep going all the way down this alley, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back up again. There's a lot to see and do, so. What's the name of this street anyways? Some more artwork. Hollywood Road, Antique Street. So let's see. Thai restaurant. Fun Thai. Probably get some good breakfast there. Wyndham. Actually pretty cool right there. Great space. Okay. This is called okay, this is the name of the street, Wyndham Street. Oh, some great Persian arts, wow. Oh. Okay. It's actually some pretty cool space here too. A lot of it you can eat and overlook the street, which is perfect. It's more of it. Okay, and up here is mid-levels, so I'm going to be going there, and we'll probably conclude at that space. I might go a little bit further down. Frank's. I'm going to check this out real quick. It's pretty cool. Actually, this one is this. I'm going to film this, and then right here it's this is pretty cool buildings, because at nighttime this sign has a very old feel to it. So I'm just going to capture that for a second. Okay. So we're going to continue on. So now we're on Hollywood Road. So we were on Wyndham, and then we went to Hollywood. So I think I might actually walk down Hollywood in a minute, but I'm just going to film. So all of that is basically Wyndham. So actually, some pretty cool buildings right there. So Hollywood Road, Wyndham Street, right there. Okay, so we're gonna continue onward. So, okay. You can smell pizza from here. Wyndham Road. This looks like a pretty cool space. So like that. So we're gonna keep on going. And up there you can see the people, they're at the mid-levels. So in a minute, we're gonna capture that space right there. And we got a pizza place right here. Authentic New York style pizza. I'll get some pizza there in a minute. Alright. Mid-levels is above us, all this right here.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.